So Stock Ninja coming in with the guess of $120 that we would have made in dividends for the month of July. Great guessing, man. I guess crossing your fingers did help a lot. But anyways, Stock Ninja does have a YouTube channel, so check it out. I'll leave the link to his channel in the video description. What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 8 of the monthly dividend challenge. So we are finally in August, so it's time to find out how much we made for the month of July in just dividends. And so I have my spreadsheet here pulled up that keeps track of all the dividends that we've made so far. And we started investing back in 2019, so we are going to figure out how much we made for this month, and hopefully we continue growing these dividends over time, because I do have about 20-30 years from now, I'm hoping to basically live off of these dividends and I don't have to work. But I have the spreadsheet, and if we go over here to the annual dividends for 2019, just for a recap, we made $779.62. So that was their first year of investing. That's how much we made. In 2020, we are already at $1,034.06. So we were about halfway through the year. So I'm hoping that we make over $2,000, which I'm pretty positive that we will. But over here on the quarterly dividends, this is basically every 3 months. So there's 4 quarters in a year, so it's every 3 months, and that's how much typically most of the stocks that you'll own will pay quarterly. But I'm basically keeping track of all the dividends that we're making every quarter, because you can see the growth. And so if we look at 2019 Q1, we made about $100, and then so on. You can see that it's growing over time. So right now we're going to be working on is we're in Q3 of the first month, which was July. So we're really in August now, so we're working on the second month of Q3. And so let's go ahead and populate July. So anyways, before we do get started on that, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification if you haven't done so, and hit that like button. It helps a lot with the channel and promotes my content, and hopefully this can reach out to a lot more people so that they can be aware of how we are generating a lot of passive income, and hopefully they can generate this wealth, because it's so awesome creating passive income. So far, this $1,000, I have not worked for it. My portfolio has gone and worked for me on that, so it's really nice. And hopefully we're gonna live off of this eventually. But anyways, before we do go count that quickly, just so we know, for May 1st, for the month of May, we made $216.97, which is the second month of the quarter. So we are in August. So if you guys can leave your guesses on how much you think we'll make for the month of August, and then we'll come back in September to see who was the closest. So Stock Ninja was the closest in guessing the amount of dividends for the month of July. So congrats to him. Shout out. Check out his channel, video description. And let's go ahead and jump over to the M1 platform. Alright guys, so we're here at the activities of the portfolio, and I have it filtered out from July 1st, 2020 up to July 31st of 2020. And then we have it only filtering out by dividends. So let's go ahead and find out how much we made in dividends. So if we start at the very bottom, on July 1st, Coca-Cola paid us $2.26. Kimberly-Clark paid us $1.22. And then from there, Altria paid us a really nice dividend of $39.18. And then American Towers paid us $4.89. And then Arbor Realty Trust paid us $11.22. Leggett & Platt also paid us $11, but it was $11.07. And we were buying a lot of Leggett & Platt when it was in the low 20s, high 20s, because it did drop a lot these past few months. And anyways, Realty Income paid us $13.22, which I have been buying a lot of Realty Income, and I'm trying to get that monthly income increased by a lot more. So $13.22, and then from there, Carrier did pay us their first dividend of 45 cents. And then Cisco paid us $14.89. And then Simon Properties finally paid us a dividend. We were buying it in February, and then it tanked, and then we did buy a little bit more during the crash, but they somehow skipped the payout for they were supposed to pay around I believe May, and they didn't pay it, but now they are paying it again. But they paid us $8.99, and then from here JP Morgan paid us $10.66, and then we wrapped it up with LTC Properties with $2.44. So we came out with a total of $119.49, guys. That's really awesome, especially because the first month of every quarter for our portfolio is pretty, it's usually the weakest month of the quarter. So that's really impressive that we brought it up to $119.49. And I was actually wondering why we were able to bring it up that much. One of the main reasons is Arbor Realty Trust, for some reason, paid the first month of the quarter, but for some reason they're all over the place. Sometimes they'll pay the first month of the quarter, sometimes they'll pay on the second month of the quarter or the third. So this one's a little hit and miss. So yeah, guys, so let's go ahead over to the spreadsheet so that we can put this in and see how the charts show up. Alright, so we're back at the spreadsheet, and I'm going to go ahead and put the amount of dividends we made for the month of July, so $119.49, and we should see everything populate for us automatically. And then you'll see that 2020 Q3 now, it says that we've made $119.49 so far. 2020, we saw it go up to $153.55, and then over here for July, which comparing it to last year's amount that we made. Last year we made $42.54. Now we made $119.49. So this is growing over time, and the best representation is the quarterly payout, because you can see it go over time, because the months will fluctuate depending on when the stocks pay. And as well, our current dividend payout per month on average is about $178. So that's pretty nice. We are going to try to get it to 200 per month, and I'll be really happy with that. And we're just going to continue increasing this payout, because this is truly passive income and we don't have to work for it. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for sticking all the way through. And go ahead and drop out your guesses for the month of August if you haven't done so. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Stay safe out there. Bye.